Hi, this is Mayor Hamilton. It's Thursday, August 13th. Just wanted to reach out to my fellow city employees for another message this week. Thank you again for all you're doing, continuing to do every day, 24/7, helping our community do well. Just a couple updates on COVID. We continue to, in Monroe County, have pretty good numbers in terms of disease and hospitalizations. We have seen a modest resurgence since the summer, not as high as we were back in the spring, but some resurgence. The hospitalizations are stable though right now, and we are hopeful that we'll continue that. Of course, with students returning to IU, we're continuing to watch that literally every day, the numbers, but so far our Monroe County numbers are better than the state as a whole and better than the country on average. So we're pleased with that, and thanks for all you're doing about that. I know a lot of you have family members, kids going back to school these days. That's a big change. Please try to keep track of all that we can do to help with that in terms of schedules and managing that. You should know that the city is working very closely with the school corporation to deal with child care issues and such. But I know that can be a change in all the rhythms that we've had this summer, so I hope you're handling that okay. Again, I want to thank all of you for all that you do. We've had a week with no COVID cases in city government so far as we know, and we're continuing to do the right things, protect each other, wear masks, physically distance, all that's very good. Just let me also mention that next week is budget week. That's a big week for our city government. We're presenting to City Council all next week, 4 nights a week of that, Monday through Thursday, to prepare and present the 2021 proposed budget. I hope you'll tune in if you want to watch Monday night. That's got some overviews of what's happening. This is, I call it, the most important policy document of city government. It's where we put our values into place. I actually would strongly encourage you to watch your own department night presentation. I am so proud of all that happens in city government and all that you do, and your department chairs will each be presenting a budget. It's a way that we get to talk about all the things that are going on in city government. I'm always so proud to hear the million things going on as we talk about the budget request for next year. And I hope you will tune in either live in the evening, or it's recorded on CATS. You can get it via Facebook to watch your department's presentation. You should be proud of what you do. I know you are, but that's a way that the public learns more about us. We'll be presenting a budget that both tightens our belt, given the fact that we're expecting some decreasing revenues in the coming years. We've already seen some of that, but also moves to recover forward, to invest, to help our community move forward. We are investing some of the surplus in the rainy day fund because this is a rainy day. It's time to make sure we're protecting our employment, not having to do layoffs. We're working very hard to make sure that's the case, providing support for our employees in all the operations that we can, and also helping our community recover well. So thanks again for all you're doing. I will encourage you to tune in to Budget Week. If you have questions, always reach out to the mayor's office. Welcome for that. And keep taking care of yourself, taking care of each other, and taking care of Bloomington. Thank you so much.